All right, welcome back. The word for the day is run. Run in Thai is wing. Wing. Can you say that slowly? Wing, wing, wing. Like wings, like chicken wing, like wing. Wing is a falling tone. Wing. Okay? Now, how do you use that in a sentence? Let's do it. First sentence. Wing ni means running away. Wing ni. Okay? Ni means escaping. Wing ni means running away, running off, away from something, away from a ghost, away from a dog, a cat, a squirrel. Okay? Wing ni. A spider. I know you're afraid of spider. Wing ni. Okay? Now, how do you use that in a sentence though? Okay. ฉัน or ผม mean I for a guy. If you're a guy, use ผม ฉัน or ฉัน don't matter however you want to say it. Okay? ฉัน or ฉัน is the same word. It's just the way you want to say it. It's for everyone. Male and female, everyone. Okay? You can use ฉัน. So in this example, I'm going to use ฉัน because it's for everyone. Alright? Okay. Running away. วิ่งหนี ฉัน วิ่งหนี ... is you can put in the word dog. Dog is หมา ฉัน วิ่งหนี หมา means I'm running away from a dog. ฉัน วิ่งหนี แมว is a cat. แมว ฉัน วิ่งหนี แมว Okay? ฉัน วิ่งหนี spider. แมงมุม แมงมุม means spider. You want me to put up the photo? Probably not. ฉัน วิ่งหนี แมงมุม Okay? Now, or the other one. ฉัน วิ่งหนี คน คน means person. Person. คน ฉัน วิ่งหนี คน Okay? Get to safety. Now, next one. ฉัน วิ่งเร็ว วิ่งเร็ว means running fast. เร็ว Okay? But if you want to even faster, เร็วมาก ฉัน วิ่งเร็วมาก That's like, I run really fast. It's like bragging now. You're just bragging to everyone. Yeah, you know what I can do? I can run real fast. ฉัน วิ่งเร็วมาก Yeah, let's make a bet. Now, the other guy is going to say, like me, I'm going to be like, ฉัน วิ่งช้า วิ่งช้า means slowly. I don't want to go in. I don't want to move. ฉัน วิ่งช้า I run really slow, like in a slow motion. ฉัน วิ่งช้า Okay? And the word wing can be for fitness. Okay? วิ่งออกกำลัง That's a little bit more intermediate, a little bit, but I'm going to teach you anyway. So, วิ่งออกกำลัง means running for fitness, for your wellness, for your good for your body. When people ask you, so what do you do today? Yeah, I went and do a little jogging, ฉันชอบวิ่งออกกำลัง means I like to jog or run for your fitness, because you want to have like 10 pack or something. I don't know, one of those, right? If that's your goal. Okay? ฉันวิ่งออกกำลัง. Okay? Now, a runner. That's a runner. นักวิ่ง. Okay? So people say, people might ask you like, so what do you do for a living? Well, I'm a runner. Yeah, I'm a runner. That's what I do for a living. I run for a living. Yeah. I just don't sit or sleep or walk or stand. I just run all the time. I'm a runner. Yeah. So ฉันเป็นนักวิ่ง นักวิ่ง means a runner. That's all you do. That's your goal in life. Just run. Anyway, yeah, that's just example of how to use a word run, wing. Okay? So, if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo, and I'll see you next time. Peace.